good morning. And today is 14th of January, which is my birthday. And also, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. When the video will out, it won't be Makar Sankranti anymore, but still, I wished it. I'm gonna film it today. Be celebrating my birthday with my friends tomorrow. ठीक है, आज सिर्फ घर वालों के साथ करना है, मतलब आज सिर्फ घर में मेरा छोटा सा लाइक एक केक कटिंग, जस्ट मी माय फैमिली एंड जस्ट लाइक दैट। कल मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करूँगी इन अ रेस्टोरेंट। सो व्हाई दिस डिसीजन? बिकॉज मैं ऑलवेज अपना बर्थडे जो है वो एक ही दिन सेलिब्रेट करती थी, लाइक ऑन दैट डे ओनली, घर में फ्रेंड्स के साथ एवरीथिंग। तो आई हैव रियलाइज्ड वन थिंग कि इज आई कैन नॉट एन्जॉय माई डे दैट मच। ठीक है, एन्जॉय मतलब एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग इन अ हरी, राइट? मतलब दिन के एंड में पता ही नहीं चलता कि कब ख़त्म हो गया, लाइक व्हाट डिड आई एक्चुअली डू ऑन दैट डे। तो आई डोंट गेट इनफ टाइम विथ माई सेल्फ टू एन्जॉय, टू मेक मी हैप्पी। पर्सनली हैड दिस डिसीजन कि मैं 2 दिन करूँगी, तो ताकि मतलब घर में भी जल्दी ना हो, उधर भी जल्दी ना हो। एवरीवन इज़ गेटिंग लाइक गुड टाइम एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेटिंग 2 days। मैंने एक जंपसूट ऑर्डर किया था, विच इज़ दिस वन। मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था, इट वॉज सो प्रिटी, लाइक इतना अच्छा लग रहा था पहन के, बट इसका जो नेक है, दिस इज सो स्मॉल, लाइक लग रहा है कि कोई मेरा गला दबा रहा है। आई कैन नॉट लाइक बाय अ ड्रेस विच आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद। तो मैंने वो एक्सचेंज में डाल दिया एंड फिर बात ये थी कि बर्थडे से पहले या बर्थडे के दिन एटलीस्ट वो ड्रेस आना चाहिए। ठीक है, एंड 10th जनवरी को मैंने एक्सचेंज किया, ये सोच के कि आ जाएगा शायद बर्थडे के दिन। द एस्टिमेटेड डेट वाज 17 जनवरी, तो इट वाज काइंड ऑफ 50-50 कि आएगा कि नहीं आएगा। आई वॉज रियली डूइंग फिंगर क्रॉस कि प्लीज़ आ जाना, and it finally came. Got my dress. This is a jumpsuit. I'm going to show it to you obviously in the later part of the video. And so yeah, that made the morning of my birthday. I was really happy seeing it. Thank you so much, Vinda, कि you gave such a good and fast delivery. Thank you a lot. I ordered some birthday props for like decoration and doing a cute photo shoot with like the dress and the cake and the decoration and everything. It was kind of my idea to make this boring day a little better. So I have got this birthday props and I'm going to decorate after some time. And yeah, I'll see you in the later part of the vlog. Bye bye.
So now I'm basically going to decorate the birthday props which I bought. I don't know how much time it's gonna take, but I'm gonna do it and I'm going to stick it over my backdrop. मेरे पास कोई backdrop stand नहीं है because मेरे जो bed का stand है that is enough to serve my job. So yeah, let's do it. So I did a little makeup. मैं इसी लुक के साथ फोटोज क्लिक करने वाली हूँ। अभी बर्थडे हैंग करना नहीं हुआ है, So let me do it very fast and then let's go with the photo shoot. I don't have a camera कि मैं अलग से like behind the screen shoot कर पाऊँ. So I have to manage with whatever it is there. I guess it is done. Plus I have like two balloons. So let's go with photos. So I'm going to end my vlog right here. Like for today, I'm going to end this part. And I want to thank to each one of you have wished me. Thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. You have took your time and wished me. That means a lot to me. And I'll continue this vlog till tomorrow when I'll be going out with my friends and having a lunch. So yeah, that's it. I'll show the gifts tomorrow. Like सब एक साथ में दिखा दूंगी. So till then, take care and bye. So now I'm ready to go with my friends. I won this jacket which has gifted by my brother. So yeah, let's go.
Hey everyone, so this is like the last outro part of my vlog. And first of all, I want to thank each one of you who have like wished me and gifted me something or the other. Thank you so much. And then let me show all the gifts which I have got for my birthday. Still there are some gifts left yet to arrive. I will give a picture of them and yeah, let's just get started. Gift which I have got is from my bua. She has gifted me this pretty jumpsuit. She said me that you can choose whatever you want to, and so I've chosen this jumpsuit. This very pretty green color, all floral prints दे रखे हैं. This is the jumpsuit which I got. I'll attach the picture here or here. So इसको लेके भी एक story है. मैंने पहले ये वाला jumpsuit order किया था, which was so pretty, like black is kind of my favorite color. तो मैंने ये order किया था. उसका sleeves and neck भी बहुत pretty था. But it arrived, everything was nice, the quality and everything was very nice, but uska jo neck tha, it was very small. It was feeling कि कोई मेरा गला दबा रहा है, इतना छोटा था. तो it is like impossible to wear. तो मैंने वो जितनी जल्दी हो सके मैंने उसको exchange कर दिया. इसका लेंथ जो है थोड़ा सा बड़ा है क्योंकि of course the model in the app is 5 feet 8 inches and उसने सबसे छोटा साइज़ भी पहना है, तो उसके लिए ये सही साइज़ का आ रहा है. बट फॉर मी इट्स रियली लॉन्ग. आई हैव टू एडजस्ट इट according to my height, and rest of the things is just perfect. The next gift is by my dad. तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे नया फ़ोन गिफ्ट किया है which is Vivo Y33s. इसके हेल्प से ये वीडियो शूट हो रहा है. My new phone I cannot show you right now because I just have only one phone to shoot my videos. I'll attach some pictures and videos of my phone. It's a really nice and space अच्छा है and everything, camera, everything is very nice. So like यही लेते हैं kind of. तो मैंने ये ले लिया. This is like the gift from my papa. I got it in the color mid midday blue, I guess that was the name. So I got it in that color, and specifications is 8 GB and 128 GB storage, so it just fits my need. And yeah, that's it. मैंने अभी तक use कर रही हूँ, 1 month हो चुका है, so it's really nice. Moving on to the next gift. So this is the jacket which has been gifted by my brother. This is the jacket. It has all this fur on the collar and this green color. I guess it is called quilt jacket. It has this kind of sleeves, and this is the whole look of the jacket. I have worn this with my friends when I have went out with my friends on 15th, and this is really warm. मतलब बहुत अच्छा है, like really warm and soft, and grey color है. आप किसी भी jeans top के साथ पहन सकते हैं. ऐसा आपको चेन भी मिलेगा, ऊपर से बटन्स भी है. So I really like this jacket and मुझ पे बहुत सूट भी कर रहा है. So the next gift I have got is this bag. This is like for my college purpose. Probably I'm going to college this year if everything is like under control. So this is the bag which has been gifted by my best friend, and this is from American Tourister, I guess in the model Pixie 03 or something it was written. And this is how it looks. It's so pretty. The color is amazing. It has a lot of features, like it has rain cover, little stretchable handles, and some extra pockets and secret chains. So this is really nice. Plus if you have a 15-inch laptop, you can easily fit your laptop in this bag. So overall it's just my type. I really liked it. Thank you so much. Brother also gifted me this scarf. So this is how it looks. It's a very long scarf. I'm not opening the full, but yeah, this is how it looks. You can like style it in a variety of way in your creative mind. You can wear it with dresses, kurtis or jackets, anything you want to. It's really pretty and very soft and comfortable to wear. Guys, I got 3 gifts from my 2 friends, Anushka and Shruti. So they have gifted me this pretty pink bottle. It's really cute color and बहुत अच्छी quality है. So it's really nice. Like you can use this bottle if you're in college or school. It will keep you full for the whole day. This lovely perfume, its smell is, oh my god, it's a really sweet smell है इसका. It's more of rose and jasmine and बहुत अच्छा scent है इसका. Let me show you the bottle. It's in a transparent pinkish color. It's really nice. They have gifted me is this cute little pouch which is in green color, same color as of my jumpsuit. It has this pom-pom, and as you open it, you get this kind of a compartment. I've not removed the foam, and this is how it looks from inside. The color is also very pretty. You can use it for like college purpose or school purpose. It's very nice to keep little bit of cash and cards. So thank you so much. Is a t-shirt which I still haven't received it. It's on the way. So this is the picture of the t-shirt. It's really cute and I loved it. Actually I have chosen it. They have said me like to choose, and yeah. So I've still not received it. It's yet to come, but I cannot wait for that long, and I cannot postpone this video any further. So picture is sahi. The next gift is this coffee mug which I have got. This is a huge cup. इतना मैं कॉफ़ी पीऊँ एक दिन में, so मेरा पेट तो full हो जाना है. This is like in a matte finish, black color का है. It says coffee break and something. It also has this kind of spoon. It's blue in color. बहुत सारे colors available थे, and yeah, he got me in blue color. I love this color. It's very nice. It has this kind of spoon, so you can just mix and set up.
So I just received another gift फ्रॉम अ अंकल जो हमारे घर के पास रहते हैं. दिस इज़ अ डिओड्रेंट फ्रॉम स्वीट हार्ट पेरिस. इट्स वेरी नाइस. इसका फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत अच्छा है. यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर डेली पर्पस. बहुत अच्छा है. पैकेजिंग भी बहुत क्यूट है.
So these were the gifts I got for my birthday. So thank you so much जिन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट किया है. It meant so much to me. Oh, also I got a box of chocolates. But वो नीचे कौन लेने जाएगा, छोड़ो. Like this Cadbury celebration. So thank you so much for all the gifts and love you have shown me on my birthday. It meant a lot to me. Thank you so much. And yeah, I feel like this vlog was not very like professional something. Also I have to enjoy my birthday, so I cannot film like everything. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, do follow me over there because I'm very consistent and मैं post भी बहुत मतलब करती हूँ वहाँ पे. So you won't regret following me there. So follow कर लेना. And yeah, that was it for this vlog. If you liked it, then please leave a like and a comment in this video. Do not forget to subscribe because it would be the best birthday gift I can ever get. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next birthday. Sorry, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.